I'm here today. It's been 1 hour since I put the squishy in the freezer, so I'm just going to go check on it. And don't listen to the background noises. So, guys. So, this is what it looks like inside. Here's the squishy. Oh my gosh, it's so hard to squish. It's kind of like foam. So, really big fingers. So this is what it looks like. It's really hard to squish. But I'm going to go back to my room and show you guys. So, here it is. My steam bun squishy. Whoa. Whoa, oh my gosh. 1 hour turns out to get a squishy really squishy. So this is it for the squishy experiment. This is a really short squishy experiment because I closed some clips, but I'll put them together in the real video, which is in this video. Sorry. And yeah, bye guys. See you guys next time. Peace out.